Hey, what's up guys, this is Oztech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this laptop. So this is my personal laptop. It's been 1 year so far, and this is the 2021 HP X360 with the Ryzen 5, and it's a convertible laptop. And why am I making this video? Well, because this laptop actually died on me and it doesn't work anymore, and I just want to bring awareness to anybody that has this type of laptop. So yeah, let's get into how it broke. So I was one day I was just basically using the laptop normally, and you know how Windows 11 has this thing where it just puts your laptop to sleep. If you do it like this, it goes to sleep, but it's actually running in the background. I highly suspect that it was running at the background when it was actually asleep like this, causing this unit to overheat and kill itself basically. So I did have Windows 11 on this, and let me show you guys what happens if I plug it in. On the side, you'll see a regular orange charging thingy. Alright, now so if I press the power button, it will actually try to boot up, but then give it a few times. It shuts down like that. It comes back up to life, and give it another second, shuts down again. So this is actually kind of foreshadowing, because I actually used to have a HP Pavilion DB7 series. That was around 2009-ish, and that laptop died the same. Back then, HP were notorious for having issues of overheating, causing the AMD chip ones to die faster, because the little fan inside there couldn't keep up, and just it will burn a graphics card and it will not work anymore. So I highly suspect it is pretty much similar to the case of my old laptop. So now, as I was speaking before, it actually restarted a few times, and you can actually see right here the caps lock is actually giving you a code. This is 3 slow, 5 fast, and I actually went on HP's website to check for what kind of code this means, and it's saying that it's the CPU failure. So let me give you guys a little bit of crash course. So back then, 2008, 2009, processors, they were doing really hot stuff, and companies like HP and Apple didn't design a cooling solution that can do it, and just when it overheats, actually detaches the die itself. So and people used to put it into the oven and actually bake it, and then it will go back to life. Well, today I'm going to be testing that theory and see if that will bring this back to life. If it will bring this back to life, it means the heat, and yeah, it really did kill itself. And if it does bring it back to life, you can actually do this to get your data off this unit before getting a new one. Or like me in this case, I actually like this laptop so much that I bought a replacement motherboard on eBay. So this replacement motherboard is a Ryzen 7000 series, Ryzen 7 5700U, so I'm actually upgrading the processor on this unit. This is going to be a mini disassembly on how to do it. Basically take a really small flathead screwdriver right here and go underneath the rubber pads and just basically peel it up like this. I've been into this laptop quite a few times upgrading it. And do the same for this side. No, this is not good. Try this side. Oh, that's not good too. Okay, there we go. Got it. And I actually upgraded the original 256 storage for a 1 terabyte Samsung Evo 970. And yeah, it was a really nice laptop, and I didn't want to get rid of this just yet because it's just perfect for what I needed to do. And there's no other laptop in the market that is similar to this one, except for those Dell XPS. Those units are pretty nice, but those are really expensive. And I got this laptop as a deal back then at eBay, and I only got it for $300 plus another $200 worth of upgrades. It's a $500 laptop that is basically really nice. And the replacement motherboard I got for this unit cost me $300, so it basically puts me $800 into this laptop, which is a brand new cost of this laptop when it was announced. For the Ryzen 5 plus 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig storage, it would net you around $800. So I'm basically paying back the laptop as its MSRP right now, which is hilarious. But I do like this laptop a lot, so it doesn't matter. So let's just put it like this, and you're gonna need a pry tool to get this out. Okay, so get yourself a prying tool like this, plastic prying tool, slide your way into the crevice and just pry open it like this. Oh yeah, I don't know if I told you guys. Yeah, I just basically put it on sleep mode and left it on my bed, and oof, this prying tool just broke. But who cares? I can open it either way. Yeah, so I think the cause of this laptop dying is that it basically choked itself on the bed when it was in sleep, which should not happen for a regular laptop. And right here, you guys can see that this slot is for the SSD. I actually took it out because I needed to recover the data, and somehow I don't know where I put that already. Yeah, I'm gonna find that later, but yeah, let's focus on the CPU itself. I'm actually gonna, here's the battery connection. I'm actually gonna remove that first before touching it. It's safer. And here you go. Get rid of this RAM cover. This is actually two 6 gig kits, so a total of 32 gigs of RAM. So let's just remove the cooler screws right here. There you go. Boom. All right, it should be simple enough. Just gotta do it like this. Boom, and it's out. So let's just put the cooler aside and get rid of the RAM, because the RAM is very expensive in this unit. Two 16 gig kits. All right, so, and right here I have this heat gun I bought on Amazon. It was $20, so just remove that. There we go. Blah, paperwork, who cares, throw it aside. And here is the nitty and gritty. This should save my laptop. Well, not really, because I'm replacing it anyway with a new motherboard. So we're just gonna see if heat and reflow process of the processor can save this maybe for 1 day and then get your data out of it, or it's basically a complete joke and you should not do it. And let's turn it into level 3. So it should be the hottest one. Use your hand, feel it a little bit. When it gets just enough, put it here. And just wait maybe around a minute-ish. Don't concentrate at one spot. You gotta move like me. Many of these. Move it around. All right, just really quick, I'm gonna put in this RAM. This is just a 4 gig DIMM. I'm gonna use this as a test only. So if this thing boots up, I'm not even gonna put the heatsink on because it's a dead one anyway. It doesn't matter anymore. Yeah, so it is hot, so it's not going to boot up just now. So I'm gonna let it cool down a bit. Yep, it is hot. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit because modern computers like this should turn off when it's overheating, which probably it didn't when it was on sleep mode on Windows 11. I totally blame Windows 11 for killing my laptop here. So I'm just going to put the heatsink on. Put the heatsink on. And I'm gonna let it chill for a while. Okay, plug it in again. Okay, it's pretty hot. Okay, now it's looking good. Fans are turning. Look, it just turned on. So yeah, the CPU did kill itself. I'm just gonna unplug it, and I'm going to plug in my drive to see if it actually boots up. Okay. Plug her in, turn it on. Okay, restart. Now see if it kills itself again. Okay, so yeah, the reflow actually helped. I mean, if you want to get your data back, that's about it. You don't want to trust this as a stability, because this will break again. Oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna actually force a shutdown one time, and I'm gonna see if it reboots, because before it was keep on rebooting no matter what you do, and now it actually keeps turning on. So yeah, the reflow did technically fix it, but I don't know how long will this last. So don't trust this. If this happens, get your data out. Get your data out and you should be all set. Yeah, so yeah, that's I'm just actually going to swap the motherboards in, and I'm gonna show you guys later. Should be an easy process. Alright, so I just swapped the motherboard out, and this laptop is working just fine. Here's the old motherboard. It's this old Ryzen 5 5500U. And if I just open the test manager here, you can see that is the Ryzen 7 5700U now. It's upgraded CPU, replaced the old motherboard. And yeah, I hope you guys do not have this problem, and if you do, just comment down below and I'll try to help you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.